So this is your typical 4-inch square tube RV bumper, and if we look at the end of it, you can see that I've painted inside. Typically these bumpers are just raw steel on the inside and they rust. Before I painted the inside of the bumper, I took a metal file and gave a nice bevel edge and got rid of the burrs on 3 of the 4 sides. And these bumpers, every bumper I've seen always has the weld at the very bottom that completes the square, and they rust and they just tear up a sewer hose. So what I have done after I painted this is I made a nice little sewer hose carrier out of a piece of vinyl rain gutter. And this is a piece of scrap rain gutter that I had left over at my house when I bought the house from the previous owner, so I found a nice use for it. Works really good as a nice little tray to put the sewer hose in, and it protects it from getting chewed up on the rough edges and stuff in the bumper. And this is looking at the end view of the gutter, and you can see there's 2 little lips right here. So what I did is I took a saw and trimmed those off so it's completely flush inside here. That way the sewer hose doesn't rub up against these 2 lips. And then we can just pick it up and slide it right in the bumper here. It's a little bit of a tight fit. And it doesn't always completely sit flat. As I slide it in, it kind of has a tendency to rock back and forth just a little bit. And this may not work for all sewer hoses, especially some of the newer super heavy duty ones. We do actually have to push that in just a little bit farther than the end of the bumper. I fumbled with the hose and the fitting for a little bit and then realized that the gutter needs to be pushed into the bumper about 1.5 inches so that you have room for your end cap as well as the fitting on the end of the sewer hose. And then once you have that piece of rain gutter pushed in there far enough, then it's super easy to get your hose in and out. And then the cap fits on there perfect.